We are discussing about local self government and about government we have already discussed. Okay, so when comes point levels of government, national level government, state level government, and local level government. So here has a diagram. Through diagram are consider are teaching are telling us national level first is, second is state level, third is local level. So about it we will discuss in deeply, but we will discuss explains by one. So I am saying you, I am trying to saying you what about Panchayati Raj. This is our topic and local self government. One word, why one word we will discuss because we need words, we need sentence, and we need discuss. Okay. So without time waster, let's start. Let's begin. Local self government. Local means near about you. Then we say local. Local means here village of people, local area. Then we say self government. Usually many types, many levels we have discussed. Uh, we discuss many levels of governments. No, I'm saying types of government. So level of when we talk when we say many types of government means democratic. If we say level of government, then we say state level, national level, and local level. Local self government. Government. What is government? Is the system, organization, people of a group, okay, that are defined. Government, people of government, people of government are elected by the people. Okay, when you see people of government, then your mind would become what government is elected by people, and people have authority. So democracy gives authority people. Okay. So this around we say creates a national government. People creates a national means people elect national government. People elects state government. People elects local level government. Local government is the management of local affairs by such local bodies means local members of a local area. So here is saying local government is the management because you think you what why members of local bodies becomes for our area. Why government we need? Because to govern a country, to govern a public, okay, then we need a government. And here are discussing management of local affairs. Means functions of a government is a different. Are different. What I am trying to say. National state level here are mentioned. No. So in short, I would say about national level, then after state level, and local self-government, about local self-government are mentioned, but about two, national and state. National level, when national government, our PM. So national government can address the challenges when raised at national issue. Means educational, not education, not yeah, education, because we see in your book, you will see in your book what NCERT. So in national. So and I am saying when we talk about at national level also, okay, and when there is issue at national level means international between international country, okay, at national affairs, then national government can resolve the conflict, okay, between international and your and state level. Through state you can understand state means in our India have 28 states and 28 states of 20, if 28 states, so then will be 28 government. So state what functions of a state will be will be will be addresses the challenges of the state levels at state levels. Okay, what I am trying to say? I am trying to say if in any state, okay, there is a issue, then government means here government name is H. Okay, government name is H, and in this area raise issue between people about religion, then this government of this state can resolve the conflict. What is conflict? Issue between people are happening. Okay. So what I am saying? I am saying you when a state level, when at a state level raise issue, then then government of that state can resolve the conflict. Okay. So now comes about local level, and local level here are discussing 23 and 24th. What happens? What is the saying? And here are mentioned about 73 and 74. We will discuss. Local management is the management, local government is the management of local affairs, because we discuss in national level, at national issue, raise issue, then national government can resolve the conflict. And at state level raise issue, then state government can resolve the conflict between the people. Okay, in any matter, but condition is within the state, within the Indian territory, within the local area. So in the matter of local self government, the management will be management of local affairs. If in any village, in any small area, will arise issue between people in matter in case of any religion, languages, in a small and also a small matter. If will rise, then local self-government, member of a local self-government who is elected by people, and this member can resolve the conflict that are happening between two people. Okay. By such local bodies who have elected by the local people, yeah, just as these local members are elected by the local people, means local area, people of local area. The 23rd and 24th, about the 23rd and 24th, what it tells us, what does it tells us? 23 tells us, I am saying in short, 23 tells us about rural areas, 24th about urban areas, means opposite. But why I am saying different rural areas and urban areas, but I am not saying it's different. I am saying this two area comes in local self government, comes in local self government. 23 and 24th Amendment to the Indian Constitution, because in Indian constitutions, means in our Indian constitutions, are mentions as about 23 and 24th Amendment, and this was amendment. It was amendment in 1992. Were enacted in our Indian constitutions, were enacted in 1992. Amendment of 23 and 24, and we need we was need 73 and 24, means mention of local, mention of rural areas and urban areas, and many leaders, many government were saying we will need about rural areas and urban areas, and status of these areas uh, must be mentioned in the Indian constitutions. Okay, our governments, you can say levels of government. What is that? Our levels of government. Okay, so in 23 amendment, when was amendment of 23, then are mentioned in 23 amendment are mentioned through local bodies, about in rural areas. Already I told you about in rural areas, as known as Panchayati Raj, we now in the form of Panchayati Raj. So what I am saying? I am saying when we study 23 amendment, then point comes. These amendment are mentioned through local bodies. Are mentioned through local bodies about in rural areas, as known as Panchayat. And opposite this comes about urban areas. Okay. In 24th Amendment are mentioned point is urban area. 23 Amendment are mentioned through local bodies about in urban areas, as known as municipalities. And you can understand, you can learn for long term. And in short, what I was saying. I was saying when comes point is 23 amendment, then these are mentioned through local bodies about in rural areas, as known as members of 23 amendment, members of rural areas, who is Panchayati Raj. And when somebody asks from you, what are member of urban areas, then you can say municipalities. Okay. Do carefully. Be alert is point members, and what are talking about. Okay. So in short, we will say Gram Sabha means village assembly. It is mainly a general assembly, mainly, and it is compulsory in any village, because when we arise issue in any village, then start a assembly in a village. and it's compulsory. What is happening? People of village can say what is happening in our area. It is mainly a general assembly of village people. Yeah, village people, assembly of village people, consisting of all adult, consisting means including of all adult citizens. What is meaning of adult citizens? Means above the age of 18, not should be less than age of 18. Must be above age of 18. Okay, it's compulsory for assembly of village to attend in the assembly of a village. Okay, so and you can think 18 age person of 18 age can consider, can imagine, can think of what is happening, can make a decision. Village people age of 18 years. 18. It is a permanent body because people of Gram Sabha, people of assembly of people, these people live regular. And you know, in your mind would be coming question. So who are temporary? Here are saying permanent body. Gram Sabha is permanent body. Then who can be temporary body? We will discuss who can be temporary body. Why Gram Sabha is a permanent body? Here question. Here is coming question. Because people of village live regular irrigating land. People of village is your inheriting land. Okay. In short, we will say people of village people lives in your area for many times. Not so through that why that's why it is permanent word. Okay. Let's see next the Gram Sabha meeting often begins with the Panchayati president. Here are saying Panchayati president. What? Not till I was listen president of India. So in the local area, how is possible? Who is also called the Sarpanch. And if Sarpanch is a president, then who is a prime minister? Question is. So in form we can say only we can say security. Okay, about security we will discuss. But here are discussing Panchayati president and in other words we say Sarpanch. Okay, so what is point? The Gram Sabha meeting often, not here is saying regular. If has a meeting of Gram Sabha, then often begins with the Panchayati president, who is also called the Sarpanch. Okay, we agree. The word Panch and Sarpanch from the Gram Panchayat, and these members means these members comes in Gram Panchayat. Okay, and it's temporary. Who temporary? Ward members, Sarpanch member. Oh, okay, because this is elected by the people. So any persons can be, okay, can be Sarpanch, any persons, but the time period is a condition. Which is elected for 5 years. Yes, here are saying also. We have discussed about 5 years. Government, if our people elect government, then government can stay in your powers only for 5 years. So here are saying what Also sarpanch, ward panch and ward panch who are from the gram panchayat. This person, this member is elected by people, and this member is elected for 5 years. Means this members of this member of gram panchayat can stay in your powers for 5 years. Okay, for 5 years. The gram sabha prevents what is work you see you. What is work of gram sabha? And here are mentioned unique. What is unique? What are unique? The gram sabha prevents the panchayat means gram panchayat members of the gram panchayat. The gram sabha prevents, stops the panchayats from doing wrong things like misusing money. It's normal issue. Anytime can be happen. And keeps an eye on the elected representative who is elected, who people who is elected your representative. And function of gram sabha is keeps can keeps an eye on the elected representative, because it normally authority, people have normally authority to keep an eye on the elected representative and makes them responsible. Who these people means people of gram sabha can make them responsible. What who means panchayat people. Okay, these people means people of village people makes panchayat, makes gram panchayat responsible. Okay, to the person who elected them means our village people elected members of gram panchayat, and gram panchayat cannot do wrong things, means like misusing the money. Okay, this is normal issue and can be happen anytime. Gram Panchayat, it is a local self-government body elected by the Gram Sabha, people of village, which looks after activities like public welfare, health, education. It is a temporary body. Here are some what difference. Compare. Here we were saying temporary permanent body in the case of Gram Sabha, and in the case of Gram Panchayat we are saying it is a temporary body. Why? How we can say it's a temporary and it's a permanent? How we can say it's a permanent? Already we are clear, and now we see how we can say it's a temporary. A member of Gram Panchayat, it's a temporary. How we can say? It is a local self-government body elected by the, because member of Gram Panchayat is elected by the people, and period time is 5 years, and after 5 years people of village can elect other persons. If public are interested in the other persons, then that public can elect. So that's why we can say it's a temporary body. Okay, which looks, means members of panchayat looks after activities like public welfare, means members of gram panchayat provides public, what provides public welfare, health and education between among people. Okay, people means village people. That is a temporary body, already clear. And in short we will see local self-government, but after that comes two level of government, national and state. At national level is arrest issue, then we say arrest issue and talk about at a national. We talk about at a national level, then we say national government, and state, then we talk about at a state level, means within territory of state level. Okay, and if will arise issue in within a state, then we say uh, government of that state can only resolve the conflict. Okay, and local bodies, local government. In a local self-government comes two areas, urban areas and rural areas. And about urban areas are mentioned in the amendment are were enacted in 1992, and 23 amendment about urban areas, and 23 amendment is about rural areas. Okay, so this amendment was this amendment in the Indian constitutions were enacted in 1992. Okay, so management of local affairs, then we say local self government. In 73 amendment are mentioned through local bodies. Okay, but in the case of a 73 amendment, when we talk about 73 amendment, then only point comes rural areas. Okay, but with local bodies, as known as who are member of rural areas, Panchayati Raj, as known as known as Panchayati Raj. 24th Amendment, 24th Amendment, who are member of urban areas. Here is a opposite word, urban areas and rural areas. 23 amendment are mentioned through local bodies about in urban areas. When we talk about the 24th amendment, then point comes what urban areas. Who are members of urban areas? Member is a municipality, corporation, municipal. We as known as municipalities. So question is what? Who are member of urban areas? Who are member of rural areas? Panchayati Raj, and second is municipalities. Gram Sabha, in other words, village assembly. It is mainly a general assembly of village people consisting of adult citizens above the age must be above the age 18 year. Above the age of 18 year. Okay, but here are saying what? All adult citizens, because these persons can consider in your own way. These persons can take opinion of gram panchayats. Okay, can take decision, can make some decisions. Upper age of 18. It's a permanent body. Why? Because people of the village live regular. Regular means this area is of village of people. So this area is not temporary. How we can say means village people. This is village. Village people live regular and live regular. So village of people is not elected by with any persons. It's a regular. This person live regular. Okay, and this owns this land is your own land. Okay, not other persons. This land of people is your land, is your surplus. So in the case we can say it's a temporary, and in short we also can say what this village people is not elected by with any persons. Okay, it is permanent body, and we will say who are permanent temporary bodies. The Gram Sabha meeting often begins with the Panchayati president. Okay, about secretary we will discuss. Panchayati president. What is they are saying? Which also when we talk about Sarpanch, then we understand easily who is person. So in other words, sarpanch, in other words, we say what panchayati president. Okay. Okay, so often begins. The word panch and sarpanch, the members from the gram panchayat, which is elected for 5 years, which is elected for 5 years. So that's why we can say, now we can say, but it's a temporary or it's a permanent. This is reason we say it's a temporary, means gram panchayat, And I was saying what this person is not elected by with any persons. And here are saying members of gram panchayat is elected by people. People is who? People is village. People of village. So elected for 5 years. Okay, the Gram Sabha prevents means it's you can say it is the most important function of Gram Sabha, and the village people Gram Sabha prevents the panchayat from doing wrong things. If in your country are doing wrong things, then you can prevent, then you can stop, because you have authority. You have authority to stop, to prevent from doing wrong things like misusing money, and it's a normal issue because this can be regular, this can be anytime. Keeps and also can keeps on an eye on the elected representative and makes them responsible. Means Gram Sabha makes Gram Panchayat, members of Gram Panchayat responsible to the person who elected them. Means person elected Panchayat, members of Panchayat. Okay. So Gram Panchayat, it is a local self-government body elected by the Gram Sabha, which look after, means members of a Gram Panchayat look after activities like what is happening between what is happening in the area of a village. When point comes, provide public welfare, health, education. It is a temporary body. And now you can see what is happening in our area. What are doing our members of government? What are doing our people of village? Okay. And when you study Indian Constitution, then you will see when will come 73 and 74th Amendment. Then in 73 and 74th Amendment are mentioned about rural areas and urban areas, and till here means national and state level was mentioned in our Indian constitutions at in 1947. But after some time, our government, level of government, things consider village status of a village. What are situation of a village people? We can see people can see what are situation of village people. So condition of village people is not better, was not better. So you can say what executive person, legislative, judiciary, house of the people, council of the states, these members are considered by these members are considered you can say are mentioned by these members. What mentioned? 73 and 74th Amendment. Then comes local level, status of local level. We will see in the next step what will come depend on next topic. Next, we are moving to next. Next is about security. I told you when security will come in our lecture, then we will discuss. And now came about security. After sarpanch, is coming about security. The Gram Panchayat has a security, and do you remember? It is not elected by a person. It is appointed. You can say appointed. Who is not an elected person, but is appointed by the government and responsible. It is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha. When in any village arise issue, and then point comes meeting of Gram Sabha, assembly of people, then who is responsible? Secretary is collect meeting of the Gram Sabha. Okay. So what I am saying, what I am trying to saying, the Gram Panchayat has a secretary. Okay, but it is not elected by people of village. Okay, it is appointed by the government. Okay, it is appointed by the government, and secretary is responsible when comes issue, when arise issue in a village, in any village where becomes panchayat. Okay, so it is responsible for calling the meeting of Gram Sabha, and also and Gram Panchayat and Gram Panchayat. Okay, Gram Panchayat, both the Gram Sabha and also Gram Panchayat, and also keeping a record. A secretary has keeping a record of the proceeding. Means what is happening, what happened in the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. After meeting, secretary collect keeping a record of the proceeding. That was happening. Okay. The Gram, okay, has a secretary who is also secretary of the Gram Sabha, who is also, here are saying what Gram Panchayat has a secretary, and at the same as well as who is the secretary, who is also secretary of the Gram Sabha, who is not elected person but is appointed by the government, and is a responsible means secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat. So you can say when a point come record of the proceeding, then Gram Panchayat goes secretary, and secretary provides keeping a record of proceeding. If Gram Sabha need record of the proceeding, then Gram Sabha means secretary comes to Gram Sabha, and secretary provides keeping a record of the proceeding. Okay. So in this context, in this definition of about secretary, what we have learned, we have learned the Gram Sabha, the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha has a secretary, and it is not elected by a person, rather it is appointed by the government. It is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat, and Gram secretary keeping a record of all the proceeding. The level of Panchayat Raj. We talk about the level of Panchayat Raj. How many are level of Panchayat Raj? 3, 1, 2, 3. First is a district, second is a block, third is a Gram Panchayat. First higher, second higher than block level, and then Gram Panchayats at village level. This at intermediate level and higher level. First is higher level, second is intermediate level, and third is village level. What is it saying through diagram? The level of Panchayati Raj, Gram Panchayat village level. Okay, here are mentioned in text form. through text form. Gram Panchayat village level, intermediate Panchayat block level, and district Panchayat district level. District level means issue when addresses the works of people. Okay, so people who are living at the district level, so that person of district level comes can come in district at the district level. Why? For work, for you can say documents, these things for your work at the district level. People of district can go. Okay, for improve your work. So, and in case of when arise issue appears, then at the district level people can go. Okay, can go justice, you can say, for justice, and then after come block level. But here comes point is when we talk about people of block level, intermediate level, because people living different at a different level, at a different, and for example, take an example. In India have 28 states, and 28 states and 28 states has people who are living in a different states. Okay, so here are saying what people are living at a district level, at a block level, and at in a village level. People are living. So if arise issue in a district area, then people of a district can go district panchayat, means a district level. If arise issue in a block level, means intermediate intermediate panchayat, then people of intermediate can go in at intermediate panchayat. Okay, at block level. And you will see people of village, and it's normally issue when arise in any area. If issue will arise, then people of gram panchayat can no secretary will calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and also calling Gram Panchayat. Okay, then what say? Then what say appeal? You can say appeal. What are problems? What are problems in village people, between in village people? Okay, functions of Gram Panchayat, and now we will see what are functions of Gram Panchayat. Not here are saying because the functions of Gram Sabha we already say. Manage of local affairs in the village level. Yeah, you are saying manages of local affairs. Manages of local affairs. Who addresses? Who addresses? Members of Gram Panchayat. So if arise in a local areas, local affairs in local areas, then members of Gram Panchayat is function of local affairs in the village. Social welfare provides through Gram Panchayat, members of Gram Panchayat, and infrastructure development. And these members of Gram Panchayat can decide about infrastructure development. Means where is not a valid situation. Where is people is living in bad situation. So depend on members of Gram Panchayat how is working our Gram Panchayat. Okay. So what is the situation of a Gram Panchayat? So in the case of an infrastructure development, how can works of our Gram Panchayat depend on Gram Panchayat? Okay, conflict resolutions, and it's it's normal, it's not normal. This conflict, this conflict almost comes and goes. Solve means resolve. Conflict means when related to issue. What I'm saying, what I'm trying to say, issue related to issue, region, languages. Then we say conflict resolution. And the next we see promotion of agriculture, and it also depend on members of Gram Panchayat. How can promote of agriculture by members of Gram Panchayat? It's depend on members of Gram Panchayat. Women and child development. In the village area, it's a compulsory to development. Why? Because in the village area is not available hospital, doctors, nurse, medicines. It's things. These things are not available in the any village. You will see. You will almost see. So it's compulsory. It's compulsory about women and child development. Okay, in the case of development of a country, rural development. Now let's talk about rural development, because in the case of rural development, this issue, this issue we are talking about, we are coming talking about it. These issues comes in rural areas, rural development. Okay, so here I am saying how can development of rural by members of Gram Panchayat. It's also depend on Gram Panchayats. Gram Panchayats. Next we will see source of income of a Gram Panchayat, because any person works for purpose. For purpose, what purpose? Purpose is income. So will be source of income of Gram Panchayat. So let's see what are source of income of Gram Panchayat. Gram scheme funds. Through Gram schemes funds, Gram Panchayat can earn money, and through share in state revenues, Panchayat, the members of Gram Panchayat can earn income through local taxes. Means in our village people, through taxes of village people, members of Gram Panchayat can earn money. National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated in India on 24th April each year. On 24th April each year. Means now is what? Now year is what? 2024. Coming soon, 24th April. So it is celebrated on 24th April 2024. And upcoming in year 2025 will be celebrated for national Panchayati Raj Day. This means each year. Okay. Before, at the present and future. So National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated in India on 24th April each year. In short, we will see. This was about security. Security, what say? We say the Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha have a security. Who is not elected by person, rather it is appointed by the government. And security is responsible for calling for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat. And secretary has keeping a record of the proceeding. Means what is happening in the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Secretary is careful. Secretary take a record of the proceeding of the meeting to the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Okay. So after this we see the level of panchayati raj. So here are mentioned village level, block level, and district level. Okay, so these are three level of panchayati raj. And in the last National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated. So celebrated each on 24th April each year. And this was a three level of Panchayati Raj. Functions of Gram Panchayat. What are functions of Gram Panchayat? So functions is manages of local affairs in the village, because we are talking about rural area. So in a rural areas comes village of people. So here are giving, here are discussing, and social welfare depends on, I told you, depends on members of a Gram Panchayat. How can provides, how provides our member of Gram Panchayat social welfare depend on Gram Panchayat. So this is function of a Gram Panchayat, that our Gram Panchayat can provide social welfare who are coming by government. Infrastructure development. Infrastructure development is crucial role in the development of in any country. So in the case of village people, infrastructure, because a small has improved, then slowly country has increased in the moment in the case of development. Okay, in the matter of development. So infrastructure development in the matter in the rural area, it's a compulsory. Okay, conflict resolution. If we will talk about in the village issue, arise issue, it's a normal point. It's a normal point. But point is, by members of Gram Panchayat, resolved by members of Gram Panchayat, it's compulsory, because anytime can be arise conflict between people. Okay, promotion of agriculture, it's also compulsory, it's necessary, because through agriculture we can survive. Through agriculture we can survive in food agriculture, in food. Food where comes? Where comes? Food where comes? It's question for you. I am asking for you. So through agriculture, okay, answer is through agriculture. So it's a compulsory. So compulsory is what? Promotion of agriculture. Do promote of agriculture by Gram Panchayat in rural areas. Women and child development. Women and child development. Because in rural areas, in a short we can discuss about child and concise women and child development. In the village area, you will see often you will see what lack of resources of development for development. Lack of resources, lack of hospital, lack of medicine, lack of education about many multiple subjects. Okay, so due to lack of these resources, these materials, so it's a compulsory women and child development. Well, next we will see. Next we will talk rural development. These affairs, these social welfare and infrastructure development comes in rural areas, and rural development is compulsory in any country. Okay, because in any country have rural areas, so it's necessary for development of rural areas. So let's say source of income of Gram Panchayat. What are sources of income of Gram Panchayat? Sources are through government scheme funds. Our members of Gram Panchayat can earn money, and through share in state revenues. Our members of Gram Panchayat can earn money, can earn income through local taxes. Through local taxes means our in a village area, from in from village area, village from local area, rural areas. Okay. National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated in India on 24 April, and coming soon this date. Okay. After February, February is over, means it's ended, and the next is coming March, and after March is coming April. 24 April is celebrated National Panchayati Raj Day. That's it. This was last about